Jacob & Co. Fleurs De Jardin Pink, Sapphires Baguette Diamonds. Main features are Jacob & Company. Fleurs De Jardin Pink Sapphires Baguette Diamonds is a truly exquisite timepiece that showcases the brand's signature blend of horological innovation and artistic flair. Movement caliber J-Cam 31. Movement type hand-wound mechanical. Number of components 444. Number of jewels 42. Power reserve 48 hours approximately. Frequency 28,800 vibration per hour or 3 Hz. Other functions are hours, minutes, flying tourbillon. Case diameter is 42.5 m. Case material is 18K rose gold. Crystal sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating. Water resistance 30 meters, 3 ATM. Dial design, floral motif with intricate gem setting. Strap and clasp strap material satin strap. Clasp butterfly clasp. Additional features flying tourbillon. A captivating flying tourbillon adds a touch of technical sophistication.